everyone, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art and for joining us on our Thursday night Rock and Pour. It started at 6:30 with LouiseMcKayArt. Go back and check her channel out if you missed it. I am up next. Then Amber's Awfully Awesome Art after me, and then AngeliaBlissArt. We want to thank all of you for being here with us. It truly means a lot. We thank you, thank you, thank you. I am going to be doing another experiment with some colors from the pre-mix paints. I've got these beautiful Master's Touch. This one is going to be Pearlized Turquoise, Iridescent Lime, and then we've got Pearlized Green and Golden Sunlight. Beautiful. I'm not going to use a lot of the yellow. We're going to start on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and I have put them in a cup. I can control them better and be more conservative if I'm not pouring it straight out of the bottle, but I want to show you the consistency. It leaves, the green is leaving just a slight mound. Let's look at this turquoise. Just a slight mound when it goes back in. If you can see that. Just a little bit of a trace. I love these colors. Okay, let's get started. Here we go. And actually, I need gloves. Okay, let's get some gloves on. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's a rich, beautiful color. Might need more. And again, I got the small bottles, so I wanted to be sure that I used it wisely. And if you saw my flower pop Amaretta, beautiful. I use these paints as well. Okay. Okay, love it. Okay. And then I've got the yellow. I'm gonna drizzle. Now the yellow is a little bit thicker, and I added just a tad of water to leave a trace. Okay. Now we're gonna spread this out. Okay, so I'm going to spread these paints out. Tonight's challenge was a swipe, anything to do with a swipe. So of course, I am going to do a flower pop. I haven't done one. Well, I've done a lot. I haven't put a video out in a moment, and I just enjoy doing these so much. These ready mix paints really do well in this application. Some of the ready mixed, I get a lot of cracking and crazing, but not with these. And I get these at Hobby Lobby. They're about $7.99 a bottle. So I like to be careful when I'm using them. I don't like to experiment too much because there's really not enough to do very many paintings with these small bottles. And I just really wanted to test it and see if I wanted to get more. And I am in love with this color palette. I actually took this color palette and I am doing a bloom in the same palette on glass. Can't wait to show you that soon. Okay, so we're just going to tip this about. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, trying to get a variation so that when I blow my petals, you'll see some of that yellow come through. I am actually going to swipe with Floetrol. I think this is good, just the way it is. So we're going to put a line of Floetrol right up here on top. Okay. Very translucent. Okay. And I just like the the way the Floetrol makes it look. I'm gonna dampen this towel. This looks like it'll fit. Let's dampen it. Okay, looks good. All right, I'm going to lay this taut up at the top. There we go. Let it set a minute and let's pull. Pull, 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 pull. Nice. All right, I like it. That looks amazing. Okay, let me get some gloves. We're gonna see how this works with these ready to mix paints. All right, I have a little here. I'm gonna need to tip. I'm gonna take this Floetrol and just put it here on the edge so I can tip this off the canvas. Okay, let's go up. Okay, we wanna get this off. Let's rock it as much as we can. This side over here. All right, now up, over. And I really am just creating that background and I don't want it crooked. So we're gonna kind of stand it up on its corner and bring it all the way down till I get it. I think that's it right there. Beautiful, pretty background. I think the Floetrol did good. The excess. All right, let's torch it really quick. Beautiful. So we're just using regular flow acrylic black. And I want to do a cluster of flowers up here. We're going to do one here, here, and here. That's where we're going to start. Okay, and I need puffy.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
He's pretty. All right, we need to decide if we come down like this. I want to leave this, I think. This yellow strip here. I want to leave that. I really like it. So, I know my stem, this is my good old faithful. He is hard to keep clean. Okay. Nice. He's a nice stem. Love him. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to make this one kind of simple. I'm probably going to do one here and here and two clusters and leave it because I love this yellow. All right. So what did I just say? I'm going to do a little cluster here and here and one up here. Okay.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
I am going to bring you down for a close-up. I am sorry for the glare. Look at these flowers. I'm going to go way down. Beautiful colors. And I love the little bit of cells we got right there. We're bringing it over. Look at these petals. And then this section over here. I did not disturb. I will bring you up. This dried amazing. It is absolutely beautiful. It is very simple. I'm in love with the final results. Thank you everyone for joining me, for all of your support. I hope you love these flower pops as much as I do. Let's head over to Amber's channel next and take care till next time, everyone.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.